In this video, I am going to tell you that how you can solve algebraic expression without expanding the expression. You have to use simple addition and multiplication of numbers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I usually make videos related to Vedic Maths and NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12. So stay tuned with me till the last of the video.
So let us start our today's topic, which is multiplication of algebraic expressions. Okay, so in this method we are going to make use of somewhat similar steps which we have used while doing multiplication of any two digits or any three-digit number, right? So let us first solve our first question. So if you have not seen or you do not know that method, so please see my earlier videos first so that you can understand this method. Okay, because we are going to use somewhat similar steps related to that here, right? So let us suppose our very first example is x plus 3 into x plus 4. Okay, so what we were doing when we were doing, so this is my quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation means this is my equation having highest degree of 2. When I will solve this, then I will get x into x square. So this is my quadratic equation. Okay, highest degree of 2. So in this question we are going to use the somewhat similar steps which we were using when two-digit number was there. Okay, so how we were solving that? X plus 2 into x plus 4. First we were doing our vertical multiplication. In that we were doing vertical multiplication from this side, but now we will do multiplication from this side first. So this will be my first digit. Okay, so it will give me x into x is equal to x square, right? Then what I have to do? Then my next step was that I have to do my cross multiplication. So it will be this. That means 4x plus 3x, which is equal to 7x. Then again I have to do my vertical multiplication, which will give me x into x and 3 into 4. Vertical multiplication of 3 into 4 will give me equal to 12. So adding all these three values, this will be my first digit now. This will be my second digit, second value, and this will be my third value. Okay, so my answer will be equal to x square plus 7x plus 12. So see, this is a very fast method when you are going to solve algebraic expression with larger degrees. Okay, so let's take some another degree, which is, suppose let's take another example in which some degree 4 or 3 is there. Let us suppose highest degree is 4. X square minus 3x plus 1. Okay, so how we will do it? We will do it x square plus 2x plus 5. Now we will make use of when we were solving our three-digit number. Okay, that means we are going to use the method of vertical and cross method, right? So first what we have to do? We have to do vertical multiplication. That means x square into x square, which will give me x raised to the power 4. Now do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication of what? Cross multiplication of first and the second digit. Okay, this is first and this is second, right? Remember that is now first and second means that the term with the highest degree of 2 and the term with the one less degree, right? So it will give me x square into minus 3x plus 2x into x square, which will become minus 3x cube plus 2x cube, which will be equal to minus x cube. Okay, now again we will do cross multiplication. Now we will do not only cross, we will do vertical plus cross multiplication. Vertical plus cross multiplication of what? Vertical and cross multiplication of my first and the last digit of cross multiplication and vertical multiplication of the middle number. So that means x square into 1 will be x square, then 5 into x square will be 5x square, and this will give me minus 6x square. So keep remember the signs of the values also. So it will give you x square minus x square. So it will become 0. Vertical and cross multiplication, it will become 0. Now do the vertical multiplication, now do the cross multiplication again. Okay, so cross multiplication of what? X square plus 2x plus 5, and this is x square minus 3x plus 1. So we have done cross multiplication of these two values, we have done cross multiplication of first and third, but we are left with the cross multiplication of second and third. So it will give me 2x into 1 will be 2x, and 5 into minus 3 will give me minus 15x, which will be minus 13x. Now what is left at the last? We have done the similar vertical cross multiplication while solving the 3-digit number. Just the process is that earlier we were taking the numbers from the right hand side, but now we are doing the multiplication from the left hand side. So x square minus 3x plus 1. So vertical multiplication will give me result what? Vertical multiplication will give me the result as 5. My answer will be what? My answer will be, this is my first digit x power 4, this is my second x cube, this is my third means 0, this is my fourth minus 13, and 5 is, so fourth is what? Fourth is minus 13, and this is my 5. So this is going to be my final answer. Okay, so you can use this method for solving any algebraic expression with any degree. Okay, so see, if you will solve with the simple method, then you will sometimes you forget to multiply with some other number. Suppose you will do multiplication x square into x square, and by mistake you forgot to multiply it with by minus 3x, then next you have taken x square into 1. So you will get wrong result. But using this method, there are very less chances that you are going to make any mistake, right? Because there is no such fast multiplication or any other thing is that you are going to make a mistake. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to learn about some methods of additions, how to do fast additions. I have made about 11 to 12 videos for multiplication, so you can see any video and add your comments in the comment box if you want to know about any other technique of the multiplication, right? So let's meet in the next video, in which we will solve the methods of addition.
This video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates related to Vedic Maths. So if you have any comments related to any multiplication shortcut, then please add your comments in the comment box. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to learn about tricks of the addition you are using the Vedic Maths. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.